Welcome to Hello Data Channel, your ultimate guide to species dishes from different countries. We explore global spicy food culture country by country. Thailand Pad Khap Rao, a blisteringly hot street food classic consisting of minced pork of chicken flesh fried with honey basil, garlic, and dozens of crushed fairy bird's eye chilies. Indonesia Ayam Betutu, an incredible spicy berliness dish featuring a whole chicken stuffed and starkly rubbed with a dense, fairy pasta, or raw chilies, lemongrass salad, garlic, and turmeric. Taiwan spicy beef noodle soup, a comforting bowl of tender braised beef, same, and a chewy wort noodle submerged in a dark, rich broth driven by fermented spicy bean paste. A traditional specialty consisting of pieces of mutton slowly cooked with a messy blend of spices until the meat darkens and yields a dry, intense heat. Peach kosari, a hearty seafood staple combination lentil, rice, macaroni, and chickpeas, completely transformed by a very hot garlic, vinegar, and chili sauce. Ghana, zito rice and chicken. A fresh jollof rice served alongside fried chicken structured heavily in zito, a dark, lightly spicy, and savory smooth shrimp chili paste. Morocco, spicy fish temu, a slow-cooked slab prepared in a clay pot featuring firm white fish tightly marinated in a broken, spicy charmola herb and chili paste. Spain, patatas bravas, a golden, spicy fried potato cube served hot, desired with a rice smoky and mildly spicy pimenton and chili sauce. Holland Blackie, a traditional sipping hot police type soup seasoned heavily with marjoram, ginger, garlic, and hot pepper flake to create a warming hot liquor. United Kingdom, chicken tikka masala, a British Indian curry house mutation representing one of the hottest curries available, cooking chicken and a rich paste of habanero or ghost peppers. Mexico, chilaquiles rojas, crispy fried corn tortilla chips simmered in a bristling white chili sauce made from guajillo and arbol chilies topped with cheese and eggs. Croatia, fish paprika, a traditional Slavonian inline fish stew cooked over an open fire with a cube covered heavily spiced with a sharp ground hot red paprika. Dominican Republic, Chivo Linearo, a rice slow-cooked goat meat stew packed with religion spice with oregano and very local goat pepper. Colombia Sancocho, a traditional rustic spot loaded with meat and or with vegetables seasoned at the table with a sharp culinary licanto and habanero relish. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.